Howdy y'all, I'm Jason with Old 36 Barbecue. In today's video we have a special game day recipe. Houston Astros are back in the playoffs for a 7th consecutive season, and one guy we need to take charge and lead us to another World Series championship is Alex Bregman. So today we're going to make a game day green sauce to bring about a barrage of Breggy bombs today in Arizona all the way through the playoffs. So Bregman, this one's for you. Let's go. You can follow along on this recipe. Look in the description box and a full link to our website, Old 36 Barbecue. You'll find the recipe is already there, ready to go. To put this together, we've started off with 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. To that, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to put in 1/3 of a cup of cilantro and 2 jalapenos that have been seeded and chopped, 1 pack of ranch mix, a 1-ounce pack. And we're going to put this in the food processor and pulse this until smooth. Next, let's pour this sauce into a bowl. Use a spoon to get all that sauce off the side. We don't want to waste any of this. Next, we want to put this sauce in the refrigerator to cool for about 30 minutes and let all those flavors come together. Okay, our creamy green dip has come together and cooled off in the fridge for about an hour. Smells great. It's time to give this a try. I'm just going to use a thin potato chip for this, just for the testing. Ooh, have mercy. That is good. That is so flavorful. A little bit of hint of heat on the back end from the jalapeno, but so flavorful. This was inspired by the Chuy's green dip. However, this is a little bit less salty and has a bit more flavor. This would pair perfect with chips, crackers, wings. Use it as a veggie dip. Put it on your fajitas, tacos, quesadillas. It's just a wonderful dipping sauce. But more importantly, enjoy it with family and friends while we watch the Astros bring home that 3rd World Series ring and trophy back to the city of Houston. So try this out. Again, the full recipe is on our website. It's in the description box, a link to it. Try this out. Please give us some feedback. Let us know what you think. Go Astros. And until next time, adios. Some more of that. Oh yeah.